Today is Flag Day everywhere else, but in Jefferson Parish, it's our day where we're celebrating America's 250th birthday right here in Old Town Gretna. It starts right here at what we're calling USA Field Day. We have our recreation team, our library team, and our J-Paws with all the dogs over there playing in the pools. And then we have a parade going on at 3 through the streets of Gretna up and down Huey Long Avenue. And it's really a great old-time American celebration for us here in Jefferson Parish.
Louisiana has a lot to contribute to the great country we live in over the last 250 years of this great country. But the thing I'm most proud of is you, the people.
We really wanted to come together in a different kind of way, in a red, white, and blue way, in a old-time American city, old-fashioned, the games and the parade, the walking parade. And Gretna is the seat of government, and Gretna knows how to have a good time. So I asked Gretna if they would help us. And so I think it's the perfect neighborhood to do this. Last year, Jefferson Parish celebrated its 200th bicentennial, so we had events all year. And this year, we celebrate America's 250th. And it's just such a good time to celebrate. Normally, we come together with the municipalities under stressful conditions, under emergency conditions. It's been so wonderful to come together and work on something really fun and wholesome and for the whole community. And I think it speaks to the hope that we all have for our community, for our government ahead. And this is going to bring out all ages of people. And so I think the Gretna businesses have been getting involved, the neighborhood's really involved, and we hope a lot of people from around the area get involved. And we're going to do something for the first time in the region, I think, is the drone show tonight at Entergy. And that's going to be over the Mississippi River, and I think you're going to be able to see it on both sides of the river. And that's a unique celebration and a unique way to bring in something new.